Welcome to our channel where we uncover the health risks hiding in plain sight. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into everyday kitchen items that could secretly be harming your health. If you clicked on this video, the title and thumbnail already gave you a glimpse of what's to come, so stay with me because by the end you'll not only identify these hidden hazards, but also learn practical, healthier alternatives that will transform your kitchen and improve your well-being. Plus, I'll be sharing a powerful takeaway at the end, so you won't want to miss that. Non-stick cookware. Let's start with one of the most common kitchen items, non-stick cookware. While convenient, did you know it can release toxic chemicals? If you've ever used a scratched or overheated non-stick pan, you're likely releasing PFOA and PTFE into your food. These chemicals have been linked to cancer and other health problems. The good news, you don't have to throw out all your pans. Switching to safer options like stainless steel or cast iron is an easy upgrade for your health. These materials last longer and don't come with the chemical risks of non-stick coatings. The best part, your meals might even taste better. But wait, what about your storage containers? Plastic containers, whether for leftovers or meal prep, seem harmless, right? Wrong. Many of these plastics contain BPA, a harmful chemical that can leach into your food, especially when exposed to heat. BPA is known to disrupt hormones and may even increase cancer risk, but don't worry, the solution is simple. Switch to glass or stainless steel containers. They're BPA-free, last longer, and keep your food fresh and safe. Trust me, once you make the switch, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Microwave-safe plastics? This next one might shock you. Microwave-safe plastics, even if your plastic container says it's microwave-safe, heating it can still cause harmful chemicals to leak into your food, like phthalates. These chemicals have been linked to hormone disruption and developmental issues. The fix? Opt for glass or ceramic dishes when microwaving. They're not only healthier, but also more durable, and let's be real, your food will look way better in a ceramic bowl. Here's another kitchen item you might not have thought about: Teflon utensils. They might seem harmless, but scratching your non-stick pan with them releases particles and harmful chemicals directly into your food. Over time, this could contribute to respiratory issues and other health problems. The switch here is easy. Replace them with wooden or silicone utensils. They're gentler on your cookware and much safer for your health. Next up, aluminum foil. You may love using it for cooking, but did you know that aluminum can leach into your food, especially when you're cooking acidic dishes like tomatoes? Long-term exposure to aluminum has been linked to neurological issues. A safer option? Use parchment paper or glass lids for cooking and storing your food. These alternatives are not only healthier, but can also help preserve the flavor and nutrients of your meals. Wait until the end for the ultimate kitchen switch that can transform your health. Now let's talk about something that touches almost everything in your kitchen: synthetic sponges. They may seem like a cleaning essential, but they actually harbor bacteria, mold, and even toxins. Using a dirty sponge is basically spreading germs all over your dishes. Instead, switch to natural sponges or reusable cloths. These alternatives are more hygienic and environmentally friendly, plus they'll keep your kitchen cleaner and safer for your family. Speaking of cleanliness, those chemical cleaners under your sink could be doing more harm than good. Harsh chemicals not only leave residues on food surfaces, but also release toxic fumes, impacting your indoor air quality. A better approach? Natural cleaners like vinegar and baking soda. They're just as effective and much safer for your kitchen. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to mean compromising your health. Last but not least, let's discuss plastic food storage bags. These convenient items often contain harmful chemicals like BPA and phthalates, which can seep into your food, especially when stored at high temperatures. The best alternative? Reusable silicone bags or glass containers. They're better for your health and the environment, plus they're a small step toward reducing your plastic waste footprint. So there you have it, the hidden dangers lurking in your kitchen and how to fix them. By switching out non-stick, cookware, plastic containers, Teflon utensils, and more, you can create a kitchen that promotes health and wellness. Now, here's the reward I promised. a downloadable guide with all the safe alternatives we talked about today. Grab it in the description below to start making these easy, healthy switches today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might need a kitchen overhaul. Together, we can build healthier kitchens and promote wellness for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.